Hello, today I'd like to introduce you our AI-based sound test system. So the sound test system is designed to determine during production or end-of-line test good and bad items. So I'd like to present you how does it work. So as first we have here a measurement microphone connected to the plug-and-duck light 2-channel IEPE DUC interface, so which is connected to the Windows PC. So here we have the Vibe AI software. So currently it is now in German language, but I think you will understand it. And now I selected here, beside machine diagnostics or predictive maintenance, I selected here the sound testing system. Here the plug-and-duck light is already chosen. And now as first we realize a reference recording from the system here. So let's assume this cup is our good part and the another are bad parts. So now I just make as first a reference recording, so during 5 seconds. So I will hit several times so that the algorithm can memorize it and detect the crucial patterns. So now I just say the software here, store and record this as a reference file. So now I make here a comparison measurement with the another cups. So now we can see that this is already as bad detected. So let's take the third cup. It's also bad. So now again the first one. It's good. So now I will remove here a little bit water. So means I will change the frequency of this item. So it's about 30 milliliter. Now you can see it's as bad detected, and now I refill it with the same fluid so that the structure have now the same behavior as before. So now you can see that this part is now as a reference part again as good detected. So this is for sound testing a very useful and effective artificial intelligence based pattern detection software system, which will help you to recognize good and bad parts during the end-of-line test of any structures. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a pleasant time.